Hey guys, in the bathroom where it all started. Start that pretty up for you guys. I have the hiccups. You should like this down below if you also hate the hiccups. Because hiccups blow. So anyway, what's today's What's today's topic? I don't really know. So, don't you hate it when you go to get another message and another one starts coming in and it just fucks you over? Anyway, decided I would get some use out of my homecoming jizz, because let's face it, it's never gonna get used again. And I'm sorry, you guys, this needs to be answered right now. Alright, we're playing Sims 2, and my friend is making me, and he has to make me look nice. You should also like this down below if you like Sims. Sims 1, Sims 2, Sims 3, whatever. I don't care. For a Wii, for Nintendo DS, for PC, doesn't matter. Anyway, so as I was saying, decided I might as well get some use out of my homecoming stuff, because let's just face it, it's never going to get used again. Well, like, unless I actually use it like this. And it's like, let's see what time. Yeah, it's 12:05, and I look like this. I don't look like this in the morning. I look like poop. Like poop. So, what else can we talk about? I hate hiccups. I also had a massive headache today. That was fun. Like this down below, right there, in that little box. I'm probably not pointing to the right one. Actually, it's probably over here. This area, or this area, or this area, or this area. Just kidding. Anyway, like this down below if you hate hiccups. I already said that. I meant headaches. I'm sorry. So yeah, I was super sick today, guys. By guys, I mean my one viewer, James. I just want to be liked. And so, yeah. You guys should also check out my AMVs, and even if you don't like the music, you should still like them because they look awesome. I have a new one. It's Who Put the Sexy in Bleach. I must say, those artists are very well appreciated. Round of applause. Just kidding. So anyway, yeah, I appreciate those artists that let me jack their work and put it in a slideshow kind of AMV thing. So, tell me what you guys think about stuff and junk. Anyway, love you guys. Bye.